Hello, it's Miss Hake, and welcome back to Literacy. We are going to do a review of some sounds that we've been learning thus far. So this little video was a good reminder of some beginning sounds. So I have made cards with some of the consonants that we have been reviewing. So uppercase and lowercase h, ha, uppercase and lowercase b, ba, uppercase and lowercase l, l, uppercase and lowercase f, uppercase and lowercase m, and uppercase and lowercase g, g, and j. So what you can do is you can decide how many to give to each little learner. You might want to go at 3 at a time or 2 at a time and have an assortment of things and pictures that you could just get from magazines or from around the room and put them in the middle of the table, pick 2 sounds and ask them to sort the beginning sound versus the g beginning sound. So they'd have to look around and see out of the big pile that you have, not too many, and g, and pre-sort them. Now, if that's too hard to look out of many, I would create some centers or some words that go together, and in that container only have l and f, and see if they can separate them out. So this is going to take a little bit of time to prepare, but it's an alphabet sort, and that just gets them to recognize the letters and the sounds and listen to the beginning sound. So it would be awesome if you could create some alphabet containers or jars as you're going along as you learn the alphabet, and putting them in a box for this game as well. All right, have a beautiful time. It's a review. You can also flashcards and have the learners read them to you. Say, name the letter. Name the letter. And then say the sound. Say the sound. And you can make it into a huge game of kaboom or whatever you need to do. But it's really just getting them refocused and back after the holidays, because it's in a new year. This is January, about refreshing their letters and their sounds and playing fun games that match up letters and sounds and beginning sounds. So have a great time, and I will see you soon with more activities for literacy.